Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Glide to build a real estate lead tracker, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Glide to build a real estate lead tracker, start by visiting the Glide website. Sign into your Glide account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button to start a new application. Choose the option to create a project from a Google Sheet. This will allow you to build your app using real-time data from your Google Sheets. Open a new tab and create a new Google Sheet for your real estate lead tracker. In the first row, create headings for your columns such as name, email, phone number, property of interest, and status. Fill in a few sample data entries under these headings to help visualize your app. Go back to your Glide project and connect your Google Sheet by pasting the link to the sheet in the required field. After linking your sheet, Glide will automatically pull in the column headers and data to create your app. Now, navigate to the Layout section of Glide to customize your app's look. Select a layout style that fits your vision for the lead tracker, such as a card or list view. You can rearrange the components by dragging them to your desired positions. Click on the Details tab to configure which information will be displayed for each lead when selected. To enhance functionality, go to the Actions section and set up options for adding new leads or editing existing ones. You can customize the fields users will fill out for each new lead entry. Next, add a filter to streamline views based on lead status, allowing you to track leads more effectively. Go to the visibility settings to restrict certain information from being displayed to app users. Explore the Settings tab to modify app names, icons, and other app-related information. Once you've configured everything, use the preview option to see how your app will look and function in real time. Test the functionality of adding a new lead and ensure that all links and buttons work as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. When satisfied with your app, hit the Publish button to make it live and accessible. Share the app with your team or stakeholders to start tracking your real estate leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.